Excuse me, can you help?
Yes. What do you need?
Where is the Central Park?
The park is very close.
Do I go straight ahead?
Yes. Walk straight 2 blocks.
Do I turn left then?
No. You must turn right.
Is there a big bank?
Yes. The bank is there.
Is the park behind it?
Exactly. It is behind it.
How long is the walk?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Can I take a bus?
Yes. Bus number 5 goes.
Where is the bus stop?
The stop is right here.
How much is the ticket?
It is only $2.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome, sir.
Have a very good day.
Have a safe walk there.
Goodbye. I will go now.
Hello. Do you go downtown?
Yes, I drive to downtown.
Can I buy a ticket?
Yes, tickets are sold here.
How much is one ride?
One ride is $3.
Do you take cash now?
Yes, exact cash is better.
Here is a 5 bill.
Here is your $2.
Thank you for the change.
Please take a seat now.
Is the next stop mine?
No, your stop is 5th.
Will you tell me when?
Yes, I announce every stop.
How long is the trip?
It takes 20 minutes total.
Is there heavy traffic today?
The roads are clear today.
That is very good news.
Please hold the handrail firmly.
I am holding it now.
We are leaving the station.
Thank you for the ride.
Hello, are you available now? Yes, please get in fast. I need to go downtown.
What is the exact address?
It is 50 Main Street.
I know that building well.
Can we go very fast?
I will drive the limit.
How much will it cost?
The meter will show it.
Can I pay with card?
Yes, I have a machine.
Please turn on the air.
Is it too hot inside?
Yes, it is very hot.
The cold air is on.
Are we almost there yet?
We will arrive very soon.
Please stop at the corner.
I am stopping the car.
How much is the total?
It is exactly $15.
Here is my card now.
The payment is fully approved.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello. Can you help me?
Yes. What do you need?
I need some gas today.
Which pump is your car?
My car is at 2.
What kind of gas, sir?
I want the regular gas.
Do you want full tank?
Yes, fill it up completely.
The pump is ready now.
Can you wash my window?
Yes, I will wash it.
The front window is dirty.
I am cleaning it now.
Thank you for the help.
The tank is completely full.
How much is the total?
It is $40 exactly.
I will pay inside now.
You can pay me here.
Oh, I have the cash.
Thank you for the payment.
Do you sell map books?
Yes, maps are sold inside.
I will go buy one.
Excuse me, where is the train?
Which train do you need?
I need the blue line.
The blue line is downstairs.
Where can I buy tickets?
Use the machine over there.
Does it take paper money?
Yes, it takes all cash.
I want a weekly pass.
Press the big green button.
The machine is printing it.
Take your card from below.
How do I open gates?
Tap the card right here.
The green light is on.
Now you can walk through.
How often do trains come?
They come every 5 minutes.
Is the blue line fast?
Yes, it is very fast.
Which side do I stand?
Stand on the right side.
Are the trains crowded now?
No, they are empty today.
Thank you for the help.